Hey, my name's Sam. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use this glitch effect within Adobe Premiere. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to do first is duplicate this layer. We're going to hold Alt or Option, click the clip, drag it up, and let go. What we're going to do within Premiere is use layers to blend these two clips together. Next, we're going to go to our effects panel and type in Posterize Time, which is going to create a sort of stop motion kind of effect. And we're going to drag and drop that onto the top layer. Next, we're going to go to the effects panel and see that the Posterize Time effect is on the clip. So as you can see here, the frame rate is currently set to 24. And since our timeline is also 24, this effect doesn't do anything right now. But if you turn this down, say to 6, you can look at this effect and see that it looks like stop motion. To really make this effect look cool, what we have to do is go to our effects controls panel again, go to the opacity section, go to blend mode, and click screen. You can do this with a lot of different blend modes, but screen seems to work the best for what I'm trying to accomplish. So if we go back to the front of the clip and we click play, we can see that it looks like a stop motion glitchy effect, which is really, really cool and adds a lot to this clip. There's a lot of different things that you can do to make this look better, including turning down the opacity. I found that about 60% looks the best for my specific clip. So we've got the effect already and it looks great, but if we want to add a little bit more to it, what we can do is we can go to the effects panel and type in channel blur. Drag and drop that onto your clip. And now if you go to your effects control panel, there's a lot more options here, including red blurriness, green blurriness, blue, and alpha blurriness. So what you can do here is you can play around with the values a little bit and make it look even cooler. So for example, you can turn up the red blurriness, say to 430, and then if you play back the clip, it adds an extra red hue onto this, which looks really, really cool. You can also change the blur dimensions. It defaults to horizontal and vertical, but if you change it to just horizontal, it's a completely different effect. If you change it to vertical, again, it's a completely different effect. So you can kind of play around with this and figure out what you like best for your specific project. For this one, since he's wearing a red shirt, I really like the red blurriness, but I also like the look that the horizontal and vertical shows. So this is the clip that we started with. Pretty basic, just a shot of this guy with a handheld camera, but to add a little pizzazz, what we did is we added this effect and it looks so much better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel and also liking the video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.